Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making a Scorpion Reef. I've made this a couple of months ago in my kitchen series, but I didn't post it, so I thought some people weren't too much of a fan of the kitchen series, so I'm just going to reshoot it and share it with you guys. This cocktail is by Marshall Davis, who worked at a Mezcaleria. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name of the place. It'll be in the description below. But that place was in North Carolina. Mezcal, rum, pineapple, Orgeat, and chocolate bitters. I do remember last time I felt like the chocolate bitters could have been bumped up a little bit. So this time I'm going to put an extra dash of chocolate bitters just to see if it shines through a little bit more. But it's served in a stemless wine glass over pebble ice, but shaken to begin with. 30 ml of your preferred mezcal, 1 ounce, straight into the cocktail shaker. So I'm using legal woven mezcal. These corks are really bad. Yeah, the cork just like crumbles. An aged rum, Appleton 8, a Jamaican rum, 1 ounce, 30 ml, and 30 ml, 1 ounce of fresh pineapple juice. Then I have 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of Orgeat almond syrup, and you might be asking why this looks so dark. My wife made this one and she made it like a toasted almond Orgeat, so hence why it's a little bit darker than usual. Lemon juice, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Then onto the bitters. Recipe calls for 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. I'm going 3. Oh, Scrappy's chocolate bitters is delicious. Then we have Angostura Bitters, but that goes on last. So I'm going to save this to the end. I'm going to shake it, strain it over crushed ice or pebble ice, and then layer some Angostura Bitters on top. Add ice and give it a shake. Now I've completely ignored my normal advice when I say don't fill the glass full of crushed ice, because then you can't top it up afterwards, and if you have too much liquid, it's not going to fit in the glass. Do as I say, not as I do. God damn it. Don't fill it to the top. There's a little bit left. I shouldn't have put so much crushed ice in. And then 5 dashes of Angostura Bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top. Give it a nice visual appeal. And then a little bit of sprinkled Chinese 5-spice on the top for aromatics. There you have the Scorpion Reef. Cheers. That is damn delicious. Again, I don't really get a lot of chocolate notes. I feel like the tropical pineapple and almond kind of overtake those chocolate flavors. You've got a lot of notes of the spice and the Angostura bitters that overwhelms the chocolate. There's nothing wrong with that. It's still a tasty drink in itself. But I was in the mood for a little bit of chocolate, that's all. The illegal mezcal is probably not as smoky as some mezcals, so if you want it smokier, change up your mezcal. But it's a good combination of mezcal, rum, pineapple juice. It's tasty. Would I make one again? Absolutely. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another one. Cheers.